All right, the title and the thumbnail says it all. We using our slow cooker today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this garlic parmesan crock pot chicken and potatoes. Man, you're gonna love it. I already know. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients. Back here we have our potatoes. Now I just got the baby potatoes and sliced them in half. You can get regular potatoes and just cut them into bite-sized pieces. Right here we have boneless chicken breasts. I already diced them. Heavy whipping cream, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt, Italian seasoning, some freshly chopped garlic, smoked paprika, chicken broth, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese right here. So that's all you're gonna need. Let's get to it. To get started, we're gonna season our potatoes by adding half our olive oil here, half our Italian seasoning, half our black pepper, seasoned salt, and half our smoked paprika. And all we're gonna do now is go in with our hands. We're gonna get this baby mixed up. Again, adjust your seasoning as you see fit. If you feel like you need to add more, go ahead and go for it. All right, now we're gonna move this aside, come over with our chicken, add the remaining of our olive oil, and then the remaining of our other seasoning, like our Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, seasoned salt, and our black pepper. And we're just gonna go in with our hands, get that mixed up. All right, just like that. We're gonna move this aside. Now we're gonna prepare our garlic parmesan sauce. And one thing, guys, with the potatoes and the chicken, I did show you that I added the garlic powder. Add the garlic powder half in the potatoes and half with the chicken. So now we're gonna take our chicken broth, add it here to our heavy whipping cream, our garlic cloves, and half of our Parmesan cheese. And we're just gonna get at a mix like this, get it all combined. All right, so now that we have everything prepped, we're gonna set this aside. So now let's head over to our stove. So to get started, we're gonna sear the chicken. Now you could do this one or two ways. You don't have to sear the chicken. you can just go straight to the crock pot, start it that way. But again, when you sear it, it kind of locks in that flavor. But for this particular recipe, I think searing makes better sense than not before adding it to the crock pot. So we're gonna get that baby heated up, that pan heated up. Drop a little olive oil in here. Start adding our chicken. And we're gonna sear these in batches. Like I said, we're not trying to get them all cooked all the way through. Just a quick sear. Try not to overcrowd your pan as well. Maybe like 1 to 2 minutes per side. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove these babies. We got the sear that we want. We're gonna just add them to an empty dish here, set them aside while we do the rest of our chicken. All right, guys, so we're finishing up our last batch here. Gonna get these babies removed. And guys, you know what I decided to do to make this even interesting? I'm gonna add a little bit more oil here. And I'm going to roast these potatoes just a little bit. Give them a nice sear before I add them to our crock pot. That's gonna help lock in some more additional flavor. We're not trying to cook them all the way through. Just give them a nice little roasting. All right, so now that we've roasted our potatoes, we're gonna remove these babies right here. See that nice roasting on it like that? Man, that looks good right there. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies removed, and we're gonna head over to our crock pot, all right? So we can start the slow cooking process. So now that we're at our crock pot, we're gonna add our potatoes first here at the bottom. If you get them in a single layer, that's pretty good. This one here is pretty much in a single layer, not many. They're sitting on top, which is fine, that's what you want. You wanna place your chicken on top of your potatoes. Just like that. Man, that already looks good, guys. I would not skip the searing process. This is already gonna be fire. Just look at it. Look at all that flavor. Now we're gonna take our garlic parm sauce, pour it over our chicken like this, and potatoes. We're gonna cover this baby up, and I'm gonna cook this on low for 6 to 7 hours. You can do it on high for 3 to 4 hours, but I recommend low. All right, so I'll see you guys in 6 hours. All right, so we're 6 hours in. Let's remove our lid. Take a look at what we have right here. And all you want to do is you want to do a quick check. You know, we can definitely take our chicken, man. Take a look at that. We already know that chicken good. But most important, we want to make sure that our potatoes are tender. And let me check this out. So I think that we're good. We're gonna turn our heat off, or turn our slow cook off. Let's head over to our cutting board, add some garnishments on it, and then get that baby plated up and into quality control. All right, so now we're at our cutting board. What we're gonna do now is just add a little, or the remaining of our Parmesan cheese that we had left, because you know we did like half of it in the beginning. Like that. We'll come behind that with that incredible hot, fresh, chopped green parsley. And guys, there you have it. Garlic Parmesan, crock pot, chicken and potatoes. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I want you to drop it down there. I want to know what you think about this. This baby looking good. Let's jump into quality control. Listen, we done waited 6 hours for this. It's time to get into it, man. Quality control, bring it to the front of the congregation, y'all. Man, let's go ahead and get some of these potatoes on here and some of this chicken and some of that Parmesan sauce, please. Oh, man. Oh man, the potatoes are tender. The chicken is chickeny. And the Parmesan is Parmesan-y. This one here is good. You know, I was kind of scared that the potatoes would come out mushy. Nope, fire. God, definitely gotta try this one here. Oh man, oh man. So definitely add this one to your list. This is a very fulfilling meal. Got your potatoes, you got your chicken, man. You good to go. So guys, until then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not chef. Him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.